Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland with a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas with some wet black paint, and I just had an exciting pour, so I'm going to do another one. So the colours I've got are black, red, white and gold. Now into the white and the gold I have put OGX, but there's no OGX in the red or the black. So, and I'm just going to start this little chappy off. Might put some more. The paints are slightly thicker than what I normally use, but as you can see they're not globbing like you would use if you were going to do an actual blob painting. You would want it a lot better than that. So, some black. I don't have a lot of black, but I do have a little bit. And I don't need a lot. What I want. Okay, there we go. Now some gold, which I do have a bit thicker than these other colours, but it still rocks and rolls okay. Do this gently with the knife so as not to slice my canvas. Chopped one up the other day by accident. I wanted a piece of plastic, and it was too big, so I grabbed my Stanley knife and I cut the piece that I wanted, but what I didn't realise was that it was actually sitting on top of a canvas. And so the canvas got shredded. I was lucky I had a few extras, because otherwise I might have been a bit upset by that. Okay, so here we go, dribbling. I like this dribble business. And I'm going to do some red dribbles too. Why not? It's a bit like icing a cake, isn't it? Okay. And I don't see the sense in doing any black dribbles simply because it's on a black background. And I'm going to take it to you first, just to make sure that they all look like they're at the top, and then around they go. Oops, don't be moving too much, people might need you in focus. Here we go. Too much white, I think. Oh, stop it, please. See if I can put some black into a couple. I might get black into this one as well. And this one's coming out rather nicely. Right, there we go. Just want it to come down to the end. There's one down, and then now there's the second. Waiting on these little slow coaches. Actually, that one there can now have a bit of red. And who was it? You. You can have some red as well. waiting just on this last one here. He's almost made it. And I think that's good. Then I'll turn him around and bring them back just so they don't look so stretched. Oops. Very pretty and very bright. I really like it. Which way do I like it the most? That's the next question. I think the way you're looking at it. But I'll bring you down and I'll wipe my hands off and you can have a look. And I'm not going to squiggle or wiggle or anything. Oh yes I am. I see these here. See, those can just come up a bit more, you can come down. I think they're pretty much good. They've actually just about done that themselves. Okay, I'm happy. So I might just torch it. There's a chance that I might get a couple of cells even after it's been chopped around so much. Just as well I did that because I saw some air bubbles popping, and I do have a couple of cells. There's some nice ones just in here, little tiny ones. Alright, I'll bring you down, you can have a look. Now the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below this video under Show More. And there's Winston, he never leaves my side. But you're looking at Winston. Oh, you're a good boy, aren't you, eh? If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be, you can hop down now, Winnie. And you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. And this one's really pretty. It's kind of like, it looks 3D with that black background. That gold will really shine up when it's dry. It's a beautiful metallic. Yes, so there you are, and thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.